In this video, I'm going to walk you through the first assignment in the Word Basics project. And so you're going to have 4 separate documents for this project, and each of them correspond to the lessons you did in the specific Word section. So I'm going to show you on mine. It's going to look a little different than what you see because I'm in the teacher view. And so you'll notice you have a document that's working with text, tab settings and paragraphs, and then you have tables and headers and footers. And so if you look at your assignment, you're going to notice that these match up with the lessons that you did for the unit. And so if you have problems, you can always go to your course map and go back to the lessons and review it if you cannot remember how to complete each task. Okay, so for these assignments, lots of students get confused because they see this and they're like not sure what to do. What you're going to do is you're going to virtually do exactly what it says. So for number 1, it says use the mini toolbar to make this text bold. So I'm going to highlight the text, I'm going to go up and click the bold. It's simple as that. Number 2, use the mini toolbar to make this text italic. There we go, I just made it italic. Then I'm going to use the mini toolbar to underline this text, go up and underline it. Okay, so you're going to physically do what it's telling you to do to each of these things. And then for number 4, it says on the line below, write the key combination for the undo command. I'm like, well gosh, off the top of my head I don't remember that. But if you hover over the undo command, it tells you what it is. So it's Control Z. So you can just type in Control Z. Number 5, you're going to change this text to green. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to change my text color to green. Number 6, you're going to highlight this text using the default color for highlighting. So I'm going to go to the highlighter and that's its default color. Number 7, I'm going to use the format painter to apply the formatting of number 2 to this text. So I'm going to go number 2, I'm going to click format painter and I'm going to highlight this and it's going to change it to that. Okay, so for number 8, you're going to change the font style to Arial Black. And look, it's already in Arial, so that was easy. But you're just going to change it to Arial Black. You're going to change this to 20. You're going to align this to the center. You're going to right justify. You're going to strike through this one. And I think you have to open this up to do it. So strike through. Okay, so hopefully that helps kind of get you started on this. So again, you're going to do exactly what it says. The only time you're going to write anything is when it tells you, what do you do for the combination. And if you don't remember, anytime you hover over any of these, it will tell you the shortcut keys. So that makes it kind of easy because I don't use shortcut keys very often, so I sort of forget what they are. So hopefully this helps you get started. Again, when you turn in your assignment, you're going to have 4 separate documents that you turn in. So make sure you complete everyone to your fullest ability because the projects are worth 40% of your grade, so they're pretty important. Okay, so make sure you get all the 21 completed, and then you're going to save it as your file and turn those 4 separate documents in when you have them all complete.